Best Projector Screen Hanger Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular projector screen hangers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this projector screen bracket so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the WALI Universal Projector Screen Bracket. This bracket is compatible with most manual or spectrum projector screens on the market and supports a maximum loading weight of up to 66 pounds. The high quality steel 6-inch L-shaped bracket holds your screens firmly in place. The adjustable hooks can hold your screen 1.5 to 5 inches from the wall. This allows for corners, chalkboards or television clearance and eliminating keystone effect. It can be used on wood stud, drywall, bricks or concrete walls. So to check out the full specs of the WALI Universal Projector Screen Bracket and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/screenhanger. Here's a quick video to show you how to set it up. So there you have it, the WALI Universal Projector Screen Bracket. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this screen hanger is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the WALI Universal Projector Screen Bracket and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/screenhanger. Alright, thank you for watching.